Adam Swanson is here, and usually we would make a delicious savoury pasta, but I don't see anything savoury on this table. I'm seeing hundreds and thousands and cocoa powder and icing sugar. What are we making?
Well, I'm taking you back to your childhood.
Okay.
Yeah? You remember chocolate crackles,
Long
but
time
today...
ago.
Come on. We're making chocolate crackles, but with San Remo ABC pasta.
This is a lot of fun. Let's
It
make
is.
this.
Okay.
Yep.
So normally I'd add salt. No, not with this one. Add some sugar. No, definitely not.
Oh, no, really?
Really go with the pasta.
Whole packet? Or
No, just about a cup and a bit.
This ABC pasta's a lot of fun too, and the kiddies, they can learn from it. You can do your whole ABC over and over again while you're eating.
Okay, so a couple of minutes in the water,
Sure.
then we strain them off, okay? And you put them into the fridge to cool down immediately.
Okay,
Okay?
first stage.
First stage. So, whilst that's happening,
Yep.
we're going to grab some rice bubbles into the bowl.
Great.
And some cocoa as well.
How much?
And normally my daughter, she asks me, oh, Daddy, how much? I go, do it as much as you want, darling. So normally the whole box goes in or a couple of scoops, but about 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. We'll restrict it.
Yes.
And that was a little bit more than 2. Why not?
It's all right. Then just give it a flip around.
Yep.
Okay, like so. Some icing sugar as well.
Sure.
This is up to personal preference here with your children or for yourself, how much sugar content you really want in it,
Of
okay?
course, yep.
Super sweet, 2 or 3 tablespoons, and you've got great chocolate crackers. I think one's plenty. In with the sprinkles of hundreds and thousands. As a kid, tell
yes.
me, on ice cream, fairy bread.
Fairy bread going to a party was something that would have had to be there or else disaster.
For me, it was always about pasta and fairy bread, so hence why I brought these two together.
All right, well, that's a little glimpse into your childhood. I love it. So the whole lot goes in?
A whole lot.
Great.
So let's strain the pasta, put that aside. Watch these little ABC pasta.
And I've got a tray ready to go here.
Yep. Now, no olive oil whatsoever. Just straight onto a tray.
On. Yep.
Look at that. Little tap.
Perfect.
Lovely.
And then fridge.
Cool them down, and then we bring it all together.
Chilled.
There we go. So into the bowl with the rice bubbles, the cocoa, icing sugar, and hundreds and thousands.
Okay.
All right. Nice amount there. Now, in with the kofa, the melted kofa. Now, if you don't like kofa, you could add butter, melted butter, same way. I'm going to mix all this together.
Oh, I remember making these at school, but not with the pasta, so it's nice to see a different way of doing it.
Yeah, definitely.
And we've got a little cupcake tin here. We've just got little patty cases here, so they're not going to be huge crackles. They're going to be small, bite-sized ones. You know, perfect to take to a party, as we were saying before.
Party or a little snack as a treat, you know,
Yeah,
school holidays, whatever it may be.
Yep. So I'm just going to get a few spoons.
Lovely.
And all we need to do is pop it in. Gosh, easy as that.
Into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow them to set. Bring them out to the kids, yelling and screaming, Dad, where's my crackles?
All the older kids, I'm looking forward to trying these.
Definitely.
Well, these have set nicely, haven't they?
Yeah, definitely.
And I love how I can still see the sprinkles there. Oh, and I chose a nice plate for you.
You did.
Bright plate.
Nice.
And if you're taking this to a party, you could wrap them up as little gifts.
That's a good
so
idea.
Many things to do.
I like
You should
that.
do that at your next party. Let's have a taste.
I love that crackle.
The pasta texture is even better in that. I love it. It brings me back to my childhood.
Good.
Does it bring it back to your childhood?
Of course, just maybe a few more sprinkles on top of me, you know?
Of course. More chocolate for me.